Happy birthday po, Lola Malo. Wishing you a day that's are vibrant and amazing as you are. Wishing you always a good, healthy, and I pray you and happy birthday, my love, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola Malo. Enjoy your day. Orders. Stay beautiful.
Birthday, Auntie Malo. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka lang palagi dyan. And basta enjoy ka na lang dyan, Auntie Malo. Bye-bye. Yun lang. Salamat po.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Malo. Ingat lang po kayo dyan.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Malo. May your special day be as bright and beautiful as you are.
Day to you. Hi, Auntie. Gusto po. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come pa po. Ingat lang po lagi. And walking din po. And lagi lang po magdadasal kay God na sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. I miss you, Auntie. Happy birthday again. I love you. See you next year, Auntie. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Manny Marilo. Sana marami pang birthday abutin mo. Miss you. Sana magkita tayo sa December.
Ate Malo, happy birthday! Sana, masaya ka. Masaya ka sa happy birthday mo. Sana,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ate Malo, happy birthday. Wish you good health always. God bless you.
Ang aking kapatid, pag may time, jogging, huwag yung panaiga. Kaya, paruktot ka na. Pinabati ko ang aking mga pamangkin, mga ganda, malulusog. Saka, bukas pala, ihanda na yung minudo. Pupunta ako dyan. Wala akong pasok. I love you, pamangkin. Kapatid, I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Malo. Miss you so much. I love you.
Happy birthday!